Hey you guys, as you guys know, I had those braids in my head for 4 weeks and I did take those down in my last video. So when you've had a style in your hair for that long, as you guys know, your hair gets a lot of buildup, you get a lot of tangles, you get new growth cysts, and it can be a mess. So you guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my recovery routine for my hair when it has gone through it with these protective styles. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and hop right into it. I'm going to show you guys the products that I'm going to be using, and we're going to get started with this video. If you are not already, sis, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up because this video is going to be great. First things first, girl. I like to start out with a hot oil treatment because it helps me detangle my hair when it's been in a protective style. So I do like using the hot oil treatment because it kind of dissolves some of those tangles before I actually have to go in and detangle myself. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing for this recovery treatment is I'm going to be doing my Aztec clay mask. So actually the first thing that I did was do the oil treatment. That's like number one when it comes to my recovery process, is my hot oil treatment with my hair oil mix, with my Ayurvedic powders, my Shampoo powder, all that stuff. So if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. So I'm gonna be going in with my Aztec clay mask, you guys. This thing right here is like the ultimate recovery mask. So we're gonna go ahead and run to the shower. As you guys know, you have to have your hair completely without product when you put this on. So we're gonna go wash all of this hot oil out and we're going to apply our mask. And yeah, let's get to it.
All right, y'all, we are in the shower and this is how my hair was twisted up after I applied my hot oil treatment. And you guys, I went ahead and rinsed that oil out and this is what my hair looks like. And it feels so soft. The curls are looking good. And now I'm going to do my Aztec clay mask. And if you guys have not seen the video where I show you how to activate this mask, you're definitely going to want to check that out because you want to make sure you get the best results possible with this mask and ensure that you're using it properly on your hair. Alright you guys, and it is time to rinse this out. So I'm just going to go ahead and just drench my head with water so I can rinse my mask out. And y'all, my curls are popping. This is what this side looks like after I went ahead and rinsed it out. Alright y'all, I am done rinsing out my Aztec mask and my hair is feeling nice and smooth and it's looking nice and popping. So it is time to go in with my shampoo, and this wash day I'm using Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight. So you guys, I'm going to start with my hair in my sections, and y'all, I got these clips off of Amazon and they are so lit. I think I paid like $5 for them. If I can find the link, I will go ahead and put them in the description box below. Y'all, I am gonna go ahead and start applying the shampoo to my hair. You guys, this shampoo is everything, sis, okay? I loved this shampoo. For one, it has a nozzle. Like, come on now. Who doesn't love themselves a nozzle? So I found it super easy to apply the shampoo to my hair, and I also found it had a really great lather. When that thing says water to foam, it is no joke. It literally turns into a foam, and my hair felt so clean after this. Girl, let me be honest with you. If you are trying to detangle, sis, this shampoo is not going for it. So I am glad that I did sort of detangle my hair with my pre-poo and my oil. So yeah, it's not going for the detangling, girl. And now I did have, you know, a pre-poo with my oil and the Aztec mask. So I wanted to make sure that my scalp got nice and clean, my hair shaft got nice and clean. And I think this shampoo did the job. I definitely believe that after you come off of a protective style, you want to make sure that you use a shampoo that's going to cleanse your scalp, cleanse your strands, and really get all of that product buildup out. And I truly believe that this Wash Day Delight did that thing, sis. And I am going to twist up each section after I shampoo it and move on to the next and just let that shampoo sit on my hair. You guys know the drill. Y'all, I'm shook because I literally found like half a braid that was not done getting taken out. So I am just going to be taking the rest of that braid out. And you guys, now that all my sections are shampooed, I like to go in one more time and get my scalp nice and scrubbed. And I didn't add any extra shampoo. I just went ahead and worked that and massaged it into my scalp even further, just to make sure I got all the product buildup off. Now I'm going ahead and rinsing out the shampoo. And you guys, this is what my hair looks like after rinsing out the shampoo. And it's definitely a shampoo that's going to get your hair nice and squeaky clean. And I don't feel like it was a bad feeling, you guys, because my hair was super dirty. So I really loved how clean my hair felt. So I went ahead and put my hair back into its sections, and I am going in with my OGX Hydrating Tea Tree Mint Conditioner. Now you guys, I love this conditioner because it is also sulfate free, sis, that's important, but it gets your scalp nice and fresh feeling. I think it's definitely the mint, and y'all, I definitely legit was goofing up. Like, I was dropping stuff everywhere this wash day, but you'll see I made it through the other side, sis. So I'm gonna just start at the ends and work that up my hair, and I'm going to go ahead and detangle with my fingers just a little bit because the shampoo did add some tangles back into my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and just make sure that I get as many tangles out as I can. And after finger detangling, I am going to go in with my easy detangling brush, and I'm going to start at the ends and work my way up and just make sure that I get out all those tangles because my hair was pretty tangled after this protective style. So you guys, I've recently been skipping the conditioning step, but because my hair was super tangled and I couldn't detangle with that shampoo, I am using this conditioner. I just wanted to let you guys know that is a step that I do include when I am doing my recovery treatment after a protective style. It just adds a layer of protection so that you can do more finger detangling and prevent as much breakage as you can. Alright y'all, now that the conditioner is on each of my sections, I'm going to go ahead and rinse it out. Just a side note, guys, this tea tree mint conditioner always makes my allergies act up. So like for some reason, I always sneeze a bunch when I use it. But y'all, it does miracles on my hair, so I still use it. But if your allergies are super sensitive like mine, then I recommend not using a bunch of the product and definitely rinsing it out and not using it as any type of a leave-in conditioner. Alright you guys, so now that I am done rinsing out my conditioner, it is time to deep condition. And today I'm using the Shea Moisture Strength and Color Care Mask, and this is the Purple Rice Water Collection. Now this deep conditioner smells amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and start applying it to my hair. Now the main ingredients that this product line is made with is purple rice water, wild orchid extract, and sweet violet extract. Now I'm sure you guys have all heard about the rice water craze, and there are definitely some pros and cons to using rice water on your hair, but it has been proven to have some benefits for the hair, which is helping to remove dandruff, strengthen your strands and stimulate the hair growth. Now, this wild orchid extract that is also included in this product line is said to help repair damaged hair and prevent moisture loss and promote health and manageability of hair. Alright, love, so now I'm going to top my deep condition off with the Luxurious Hair and Spa Hair Alchemy Oil. Now, you guys, this company reached out to me and I want to review this product for you all. So this hair oil is made from a blend of tree nut oil infused with herbs and organic oils to help stimulate scalp, promote hair growth, prevent breakage, and seal in moisture to add shine. Now, tree nut is a natural DHT blocker, so it can help prevent and reverse hair loss. Now, this hair alchemy oil has been salon proven to show that it helps to clear up dry scalp, relieve psoriasis, dandruff, and help revive hair follicles that have been damaged, as well as repair traction alopecia. Now, this is a black owned business, so you guys make sure you check them out. I will go ahead and link it down below. So now, you guys, I'm going to just put my hair in my plastic cap and go ahead and throw on my hot head cap, and I'm gonna let this sit for about 30 minutes. Alright, y'all, I am back, and let's go ahead and see how this deep conditioner did on my hair. Y'all, my hair honestly felt really soft after leaving this deep conditioner on, so I definitely think it sticks to what it's saying that it does, which is to prevent that straw and dual filling after coloring hair or having brittle strands. And it says that this mask infuses brittle strands with intense hydration to restore health and strength. So you guys, I truly do think that this rice water combination with these moisturizing properties of this deep conditioner added both protein and moisture balance into my hair, which made it feel super soft and manageable. I also really like pairing my deep conditioners with an oil. It makes the deep conditioning process even more intense, and it helps to lock in more of that moisture. Now I'm going to go ahead and with my Cure Care leave-in conditioner. You guys know I love Cure Care and I love this line. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my leave-in conditioner and twist up my hair. Alright, you guys, and I do like to put my microfiber towel on and just let my hair dry out. So you guys, this is like 2 days later and it is feeling a little bit dusty, so I am going to go in with the Luxurious Hair and Spa Hair Refresher, and this is just going to add some shine and a little bit of added moisture to my hair. And I do want to say thank you to Luxurious Hair and Spa for sending me these products. I really did enjoy using the products in my wash day, and I really like this curl refresher spray, so I will probably be using this more often. And y'all, I'm just going to go ahead and fluff my roots, get my hair nice and big the way I like it. And that completes my watch day, you guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you have not already, be sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and leave me a comment down below and let me know what your recovery process is after protective styling. Alright, love you guys. See you next time. Bye.